Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that's all about precision, power, and performance. The BaBylissPRO X Tomb45 clipper, trimmer, clipper guards, and hair dryer. Whether you're a professional stylist or someone who likes to take grooming into your own hands, this kit is designed to help you achieve sharp, clean cuts with ease. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. Product overview. The BaBylissPRO X Tomb45 kit is a grooming powerhouse designed for both haircuts and beard trims. This combo pack includes a clipper, a trimmer, clipper guards, and a hair dryer. With its battery-powered design, it's made to give you flexibility while you work. The clipper is engineered for detailed fades and precise cuts, while the trimmer is perfect for shaping and defining. The clipper guards allow for varied lengths, giving you more control over the final look, and the hair dryer helps to finish off your style with ease. The sleek black design is not only stylish, but built to withstand regular use. Real-world testing and usage experience. Using the BaBylissPRO X Tomb45 kit was a smooth experience from the start. The clipper felt balanced in my hand, and I was able to create clean fades without any snags or irritation. It's easy to handle, even for those not used to professional-grade tools. The trimmer performed just as well, making it simple to carve out sharp lines around the beard or neckline. I used the clipper guards to adjust the length for different haircuts, and I was impressed with how easily the guards clicked into place. The hair dryer, though a simple addition, provided a strong airflow to style without leaving my hair damp for too long. One small downside is that the battery power on the clipper and trimmer could last a bit longer for extended use, but for the average session, it was more than sufficient. Pros and cons. The strengths of the BaBylissPRO 45 kit are clear. The clippers are incredibly sharp, and the motor is powerful, giving you consistent results every time. The design feels solid and comfortable, and the trimmer's precision makes detailing a breeze. However, the battery life might not be enough for longer cutting sessions or multiple uses in one go without needing a recharge. The clipper guards could also be more flexible in terms of size variety, but the current set still covers most needs. Value for money. Considering the quality of the tools, this kit offers good value for its price. You're getting professional-grade equipment that works well for both beginners and seasoned pros. It's not the cheapest on the market, but the performance and build quality justify the cost, especially when compared to similar kits from other brands. Comparisons. When compared to other professional-grade clippers, the BaBylissPRO X Tomb45 stands out for its powerful motor and sleek design. The battery-powered convenience is a plus over corded options, though some might prefer a longer battery life for extended use. In terms of price, it's comparable to other high-end kits, but the inclusion of the hair dryer adds value. Build quality and longevity. The build quality is solid. The clipper and trimmer are made with durable materials that feel built to last, with a modern ergonomic design. I haven't had it long enough to fully assess long-term durability, but early impressions suggest that it can handle regular use without issue. Customer support. While I didn't need to contact customer support during my testing, BaBylissPRO is known for having good customer service. They're responsive and helpful, ensuring that any concerns are addressed quickly. Final verdict. In conclusion, the BaBylissPRO X Tomb45 kit delivers on its promise to provide high-performance grooming tools. It's great for those looking for precision in their cuts and trims, whether you're styling your hair or beard. The battery-powered design offers flexibility, and while the battery life could be better, the overall performance makes it worth considering for both professionals and at-home users. If you found this review useful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other grooming enthusiasts can discover this video. Your engagement helps others find these reviews. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to this product in the comments below. If you already own the BaBylissPRO X Tomb45, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Until next time, stay sharp and keep your grooming game strong. See you in the next review.